So he's sleeping, and then the Gurudev said that the saints that he's associated with for 80 years in Vrindavan, they were saying in their lectures and their discussions, all the big pundits that he associated with, they said that Muchakunda came in the Kali Yuga as Jayadev Goswami. So you're giving further support for that statement of my Gurudev by saying that in the story of Muchakunda in the 10th canto, when Krishna met him and he woke up and then he was so happy to have darshan of Krishna, and Krishna said, listen, now you go to Badrinath and do tapasya. So then he went to Badrinath and did tapasya. So in that same Badrinath where Muchakunda did tapasya, they're reciting Gita Govinda, which was later written by Muchakunda, who became Jayadev Goswami in the Kali Yuga, to write the Gita Govinda. It's a very interesting missing links in the puzzle here. So it all started off with Padmavati's influence on the writing of Gita Govinda. She could play a major role, I can't say, but I would say if she plays a major role, it's because of the background. It's the background of Jayadev Goswami being formerly a king, Muchakunda, which means plenty of experience with queens and all these things. So he's already mastered and learned all the Kama Sutra and all the different aspects of that husband and wife or king and queen combinations and gamut of emotions from the material level, and now coming as Jayadev Goswami and meeting Padmavati is not an extension of his conjugal love with his queens and his former birth as Muchakunda. Rather, it's a learning. It's the two of them together as gopis. They were able to produce this Gita Govinda from the viewpoint and angle of Radharani's intimate associates and servants in the lilas of Radha and Krishna and Madhurya Ras. That's my take on the subject. It's a very deep and wonderful discussion that you were the catalyst for.
Yes.